Type your text. Go to Type. Create outlines. Select the Line Segment tool. Select a stroke color. Create several lines crossing your text in different directions. Use the Selection tool to select everything. Go to Window, Pathfinder. Select Divide. Ungroup the text. Go to Effect, Distort and Transform. Transform. Make both the horizontal and vertical scale 85%. Move 10 pixels horizontally and vertically. Select Random. If you want, you can move the pieces until you're happy with the effect. And that's how you create this broken glass effect. Check the link in the description for more Illustrator text effects.